In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WooCommerce in WordPress. Whether you're kickstarting your e-commerce journey or just looking to spruce things up with a fresh platform, getting WooCommerce up and running is an excellent choice. It's a powerful, versatile tool used by millions to create and operate online stores around the world. So let's get started with this simple, straightforward walkthrough that takes you from login to activation. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar, this is your command center, the place where you can manage every detail of your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, look over at the menu on the left. You'll see various options like posts, pages, and so on, and among them is plugins. Hover over this option and a small menu appears. Click on Add New. This is your gateway to all sorts of fantastic add-ons and extensions for your site. Now, you'll find yourself on a page brimming with plugins, but don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. At the top right of this page, there's a search box. You'll want to type in WooCommerce here and press Enter. WP will quickly scan its library, and within seconds, you'll see a list of available plugins. Your goal is to find the official WooCommerce plugin, which is crafted by Automatic. Automatic, the good folks behind WordPress, are known for their reliability and quality, so you can download with confidence. The official WooCommerce plugin should be prominently listed among the first few results. You'll recognize it by the logo and the name by Automatic under it, which assures you that it's the genuine article. Once you find it, there's a big button that says Install Now. Go ahead and click it. This will begin the installation process, which only takes a moment or two. This process is completely automatic, so you don't have to worry about downloading zip files or anything of the kind. Now, once the installation is complete, the Install Now button transforms into an Activate button. Before WooCommerce can start working for you, it needs to be activated. A simple click on the Activate button will do the trick, and this is the moment your WooCommerce installation comes to life. And there you have it. WooCommerce is now integrated into your WordPress site. At this point, the WooCommerce setup wizard should launch automatically, guiding you through some basic configurations to optimize your store setup. And that's it, for now at least. Your WordPress site is now equipped with WooCommerce, ready to turn your website into a bustling e-commerce hub. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Happy selling!